I think that this attack...
Ambassador Mukherjee, that question is for you.
I I do believe that Uday, the Ukrainians have lost the war. The Russians have won the war. It's as simple as that. These are desperate measures, as indicated by our Russian colleagues, to try to balance out the negotiations or to give the impression to the European Union, who would go to any extent, some of them, to bring down Russia, to say that with your money, your weapons, your drones, your ammunition, etc., we can strike deep inside Russia and we can do huge damage to Russia's war machine. That is not an argument that is wise to use against a nuclear weapon state when Ukraine is not a nuclear weapon state and it is not a member of NATO. And according to NATO's constitution, NATO is not obliged to defend Ukraine if Russia strikes with even a small, what we call a dirty nuclear weapon. I think, coming from the land of Chanakya, it is foolish to pull too hard the tail of the bear or the tiger. I think that the Ukrainians would be well advised to stop these kind of highly dangerous military maneuvers because they risk destroying their country. The West and the Americans are well known for moving out when wars go against them, whether it was Vietnam or then in Afghanistan. In Afghanistan, we saw the Afghans who collaborated with the Americans hanging onto the wheels of the huge aircraft which took off because they knew that they would be executed by the new regime. So given the kind of reputation that the West and the Americans have when wars go against them, my advice to the Ukrainians would be exactly what our Russian colleagues have said. These are people, brothers joined at the waist, same culture, same civilization, same religion, unfortunately divided by the maneuvers of the West. And in the process, the Ukrainians have to understand. They have lost the war, they have lost territory, that territory is not going to be given back to them. They would have to agree to a ceasefire, which would basically mean each side stays where they are.
Yes.
If in the process they do these kind of measures, I don't think it has the slightest impact on the peace talks because ultimately the Ukrainians will have to accept a peace that is acceptable to Russia.
Right.
And do these kind of desperate measures, Uday, is only going to make the peace longer to obtain, harder to obtain,
yes,
and difficult for the Ukrainians to understand that Zelensky got them into a war where they have gained nothing, where they have lost territory and they've lost their people.
Okay. Wing Commander Bharat Bhushan, what are the lessons,